My name is Enrique. I'm a community organizer, an educator, a small business owner, and I'm from a working class family. I've taught programs to at-risk youth. I promoted the importance of civic engagement to disenfranchised communities, and I ran a screen printing company where I worked tirelessly to earn a living wage. Growing up in this community, I know firsthand what makes the district so special: the diversity, ingenuity, perseverance, and grit of the people who live here. But I also know from experience the deep-rooted challenges we face, and that's why I'm running for Assembly in the 8th District. I've spent the past several years advocating for this community, and I know that leveraging the unique assets that exist right here in our district will be the most effective method to address our challenges. Through investment in quality education, innovative resources for small businesses, access to jobs that pay a living wage, and greater political representation, I believe that together we can build an excellent district that reflects the value our residents bring to the state of Wisconsin. It takes an innovative leader and political courage to bring the change that we deserve. I will bring that change by working for the people of this district and with the people of this district. Vote Enrique Murguia on August 11th.